Oh,
It's
shit.
probably scheduled. Wait, that's unscheduled though. If they're here, it's not scheduled. Right?
That ain't good.
That's really good. The fact that why is there no one outside? Yeah.
Oh, it's a drill.
But then why are they here?
I don't know.
They wouldn't.
Oh, no, that's not a drill.
That's not a fucking drill. What's the situation here?
I don't know.
Some dumbass.
Alright.
Really, it's not the situation we thought. Everything's gonna start flooding out and going here. Either they just got close 3 minutes ago and it's still like people are still trying to leave, or there's no one in the building even there.
Oh, they could be under us right now. I know.
We just heard the alarms are going off. Trying to figure out what happened.
Well, we just got back, so.
We're not going out, though. Where's your car? You know, being in your shop. You're still there.
We're not.
They got the fucking axes.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Was it last week? Now this time? Now Iraq is on fire.
Iraq, oh no.
Dude, you should really post Iraq is under fire. You're still recording, motherfucker. Why are you still recording?
Bro, I need that free ad. You know, you gotta have 8 minutes for ads, so. No, I'm kidding.
Bro, you ain't getting 8 minutes out of this shit.
I don't know. We got some good camera angles. We got a fire truck.
Just like you're only in defense.
That's not good. Like that. I blew up again, oh no.
Reno, Tom 225. AI, and not extended code. Tom 225. Are you wanting structure response? Reno, Engine 4. We just had a massive explosion. We're going to need to do a third alarm response on this incident.